that 18,300 odd mark, par for the course, I would say. Yesterday we ended lower, today we pulled back 50 points odd. A couple of stocks though deserve special mention. Apollo Hospitals has moved lower. Ultratech Cement has come in for some profit taking as well. UPL has moved to the low point of the day, so that's a sharp decline that we're seeing out there. But I think the larger names are dragging. So ICICI Bank, it had opened up well in the green. That's moved into the red. That's why the Nifty Bank as well, from trading well in the green, that shaved off. It's up only around 20 points as we speak. ICICI Bank, that's the big one in there. Mitessh Thakkar is back with us. Mitessh, if someone was long, where should they maintain their stop loss now? And when do you see this uptrend intact? What is the level you're looking at on the downside?
We talked about the fact that this on the index chart, the hourly and the 2-hourly indicators are kind of turned down. So either it will be a consolidation or a pullback. I think the pullback is playing out, despite the fact that yesterday there were signs of market being sideways. Overall, this market could give a profit booking kind of scenario when the prices go back to their 10-20-day averages, and that's the kind of thing which I think is playing on. So 18,100 is the positional level. But before that, we have minor support around the 18,250 mark as well. So let's see if it try to reverse and holds the 18,250 level, and then we'll take it from there. But as of now, I think this is not a market to be long into. You wait for a breakout above 18,450, or wait patiently for a entry point closer to 18,100. Having said that, I have one buy and one sell call. The PSU banking space remains on the radar, so PNB is a buy. Keep a stop at about levels of 45 and look for targets of around 49 on the upside. While Z is a stock on the sell side, that's something which is breaking down. So sell here with the stop at about levels of 256 and a target of around 245.
All right, Mitessh, thanks very much for that. So interesting. We find ourselves in a interesting kind of position in the market. Usually going into the end of the year, whatever has been happening happens. It's not as if you start a new trend this late into the year. So that gives some hope that maybe if, whatever we get will be a pullback. And that has been evident. We've been pointing out. If you just look at prices and read the screen, there has been hesitancy. The markets looked heavy, and it's kind of been very sluggish. Broader markets, especially, not so much the Nifty, which has seen intermittent pullbacks. And of course, there are supports as well, 18,200, 18,100. The 20-day is just under 18,100. So, but there's still some distance away. We'll see. 50 points lower on the Nifty. Just one group of stocks is the new age companies, right? They're all higher, and that is interesting. That tells you they are markets for you, right? You've had this news flow on SoftBank, which is a large investor in many of these Indian listed entities as well, new age companies, and they are having trouble. And you have yields which are higher, but look at stocks. PB Fintech is higher, Nykaa is up 3.5. You look at, I think, a bunch of others, which are Nazara, etc., which are also reversing after yesterday's sharp sell-off. Actually, Nazara out of the lot is the big one. 8% gain on Nazara. Stocks at about, 612, 613. Maybe these stocks paid the price earlier, and they are all reversing from low points. Paytm, I think we should also put up. I don't see it as part of the list in terms of what's happening. But Paytm is flat, actually. Nothing very much after yesterday's 9-10% kind of cut. We'll take a break here. We are back. Manisha joins us to tell us what's the latest, what's top of mind in the commodity space. That's on the other side.